Coming to you from the Carol Blanton Ferris Law Firm Studios, it's the A1 Minute, brought to you by Smith Strong PLC.
Hey, it's Matt with your A1 Minute. Let's go. We're on the eve of the governor's inauguration, and the celebrations honoring Virginia's first female governor, Abigail Spanberger, are off to a fast start with the Made in Virginia Market Friday at the 17th Street Market. More than 40 artisans centering on small businesses will be on hand. Entertainment will be provided by local and regional artists, headlined by Pusha T, and Spanberger herself is expected to be in attendance. There's more events to find in a moment. Demolition crews will begin tearing down a former Hardee's restaurant on North Arthur Ashe Boulevard Monday to make way for a 12-story hotel. Shameen Hotels, the region's largest hotel operator, plans to build a hotel on the property that will have two brands, AC Hotels by Marriott and Residence Inn. The hotel is set to open in 2027. And heading into the holiday weekend, see the Richmond Symphony as they perform Damian Jeter's An African American Requiem at the Dominion Energy Center Saturday and Sunday. Christian Siriano's red carpet gowns are featured at the Branch Museum Saturday in a new exhibit called Undeniable, the designs of Christian Siriano and Ashley Longshore. And see and bid on Governor L. Douglas Wilder's original watercolor paintings, along with a program highlighting his artistic journey Sunday at the Black History Museum and Cultural Center of Virginia. Be sure to follow the Virginia Video Network and Richmond Times-Dispatch on Instagram, and this episode was brought to you by Smith Strong PLC. We'll be back soon with another A1 Minute.